wake me up to another good morning, time to go.
Hi, good morning. This is Jessica from Aithre, and I thought I would do a quick unboxing as I got the new Illyrian in the mail today, and I wanted to share it with you. And here it is. Oh, wow, what a really small box. Give you a good look at the whole package. It looks like there's a QR code for the instructions and one for the app for use. And the contents that kind of tells you what's inside of it. Let's see. The micro USB charger, the power bank here. Looks like it says Aithre on it for charging. Okay. Let's see. Oh, the cable clip for if you're hooking it to a headset. There's the actual Illyrian. It's nice sealed package. We can open that up and look at it. And the Aithre headband for wear and use. I can't wait. Let's get started. Okay, so I think the first thing that I want to do is that I'm going to open up the Illyrian. So I'm just going to put it in the package here. Look. Okay. These are some tape for if you want to hook it to your headset to stay. For my use, I'm probably going to not use the tape so I can use different areas. Ooh, look at this. This is the sensor pad. Oh, it's very soft and pliable. Looks like it's going to feel pretty comfortable. A lot of cord in case I need a little bit more space when I'm using the power bank. The logo is there and the USB. Also, let's see. Here's the power bank and it's just a push button, just like that. Awesome. And then it plugs in here and we'll do that in a minute. And the headband. So I'm going to open that up. Here we go. And I'm going to put it on. Let's see. Okay, so I think that now I'm just going to plug in the Illyrian into the power bank and make sure the power bank's on. And I want to show you how to place it. So there's two places you can put it, either here by the ear if you're going to wear a headset or a big helmet that comes down over your ear, or on the forehead. The forehead is a really light and easy way to use it. Make sure that the light where the sensor is facing down when you place it in either spot. So I'm just going to tuck it under here, right, kind of in the center of my forehead, and move it around here behind my ear so it's nice and comfy. The headband just is, it has a bit of a rubber and inside, which helps keep it in place. So just like that, the Illyrian is in place. Now, this is what's really awesome is that I'm just going to turn it on and open my app. And my app is going to show you that it is pairing. And it's going to pop up and say, oh, look, there I am. And you can just click on this and you can put a new name if you want inside that box. So, but my name is already there. I can just write it again. Okay, so ta-da, look, that was so fast. You can see that it says my SpO2 is 100, my heart rate, and this green line is really important. This green line is the sampling quality, and it'll let you know whether or not the position is good. If the sampling quality is low, then that means that the position isn't good and your results aren't very good. So always make sure when you're finding the position that the sampling quality is good, and that way the results. You can see, I'll show you the graph over time. You can see that it is tracking my heart rate, my pulse ox, and my sampling quality is great. And that way I can refer to this graph as I need, which is pretty awesome. And when you are in the forward screen, you can see all the tabs where you want to be able to connect to and see the data in the front, which is pretty amazing. So that's kind of the quick fast on the Illyrian. It's very comfortable. The headband keeps everything in place. The power bank for us, luckily, came a little charged, so we could try it right away. But if not, it comes with the micro USB charger. You just plug it in and it charges in a little bit, a few hours, and it'll be ready for long time use. I'm looking forward to sharing with you on the next adventure with the Aithre Illyrian. Have a great day.
Still I run towards the wind and let the child